Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make honey mustard, full guide. Gather ingredients and tools, then whisk or blend to combine until smooth and shiny for a uniform texture. Start with mustard, honey, and an acid, then add oil for creaminess and seasoning to taste. Taste frequently and adjust sweetness, heat, or acidity until it matches your preferred balance. Store chilled in a sealed container for up to a week. Measure ingredients precisely to control flavor and texture, then choose mustard type to alter heat and tang. If you prefer smoother blends, pick a milder mustard. If you want a punch, use a spicy brown or Dijon. Consider adding a splash of oil for a creamier mouthfeel or a pinch of paprika for warmth. Keep tasting and tweak small amounts until the balance feels just right for your dishes. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tasty guides. Quick recommendation. On another note, treat your feet. Darn Tough socks offer unbeatable comfort and a lifetime warranty, perfect for cooks who stand long hours. They pair surprisingly well with kitchen confidence and a steady grip on the cutting board. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. For a perfectly smooth honey mustard, whisk continuously while slowly adding oil to emulsify, or pulse briefly in a blender for a quick fix. Warm honey slightly if it's thick to help it incorporate evenly with mustard and acid. Remember that chilling the sauce for a short time helps flavors meld and mellow, so make it ahead when possible. Always taste before serving and adjust sweetness, acidity, or spice as needed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.